hacer por allá?
Hello there, this is John Diaz here, presidential candidate, independent candidate running for the presidency of the United States. Here in Colombia, South America, looking at a John Deere four-wheel drive backhoe. Out here, I've been here for over 3 weeks, surveying a severe drought out here, but Colombia's starting to finally get rain. It's been raining for the last day and a half, and it's forecasted to rain for the next couple weeks. So this is like a salvation for the farmers and the people who raise animals, livestock, and so forth. The point of the video is to demonstrate American products out here in a remote place in Colombia, working on a residential driveway, regrading the driveway at a hillside residence. A testament to show that John Deere, an American product that was built and manufactured in the United States, their products are sold worldwide to our capitalist allies and find themselves in places like Colombia. That's why we need a good relationship with all our allies and have a robust economy, a global economy that supports and sustains all our capitalist allies. And in return, to have a robust American economy, larger than ever before. That's what you'll get if you hire me, if you vote for me. So I'm asking for everyone's support, everyone's vote in November for John Diaz, independent candidate. A write-in in all states. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please share with all your friends to get the word around. And please subscribe to keep up to date with all the content I'm making daily. American-made John Deere Backhoe here in Colombia, South America. Enjoy your day and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.